Hi, the Animation Retimer. It's accessible from either the timeline or the DOP sheet. I can activate the menu here. It's the Retime tools. So it helps to retime the animation in an easy way. So for the main option to keep in mind are the add marker and start retiming. Here I will make a test. For example, I can add a marker here and another marker by the end. And let's say, for example, I have this swing and it's going too fast. So what I should do, I will go to the beginning of the swing. I will add a marker here and a second marker by the end of the animation. It's not mandatory to put the marker at the exact position of the key, but it can be anywhere. So I will add a second marker here. And at this time, if I move the markers, it won't make any difference. So they can stay there until I press the start retiming. Once pressed, I know that I am affecting the armature and named rig. And here I will select the markers that I want to move. And you should consider the things like segments. For example, here I have between two markers, I have a segment. So here I have segment 1, 2, and 3. And I want to make the middle segment a little bit longer. So I will select 57 and 184 and just drag them a little bit here, and you can see the keys moving. If I move too much, you can see that there is too much space between the keys. But I will just push it here, for example, and here you can see the swing taking a little bit more time than when it started. If I'm or before that, I can come here by the end and show details. So here I can jump to each marker or modify its position. So somehow it's great now, but you can just change change it numerically. Once we are satisfied with the result, we can just apply the changes, or if not, we can just discard the changes and it will go back to normal. So here I will keep the changes, and after that I can either keep the markers for further iterations, or I can just clear everything and the timeline goes back to normal and without any other markers. And also it deletes only the markers created by the add-on. It won't affect the other markers if they are added by the marker menu. I was thinking about the other options. For example, here I have this wave. Each plays a song, like you can choose any wave, and each plays a sound. When each reaches the marker, it can give a sense of tempo when you are playing the animation, but it's not implemented yet, so it may come in the future. So that's it.